Okay, so we're gonna replace this steering wheel because this one is hideous and I really don't like it. So we're gonna put our sport 3-spoke steering wheel and get this interior looking better than ever. There we go, we have a fine new steering wheel installed. The leather is fine, it's not the greatest up here and behind, and don't use 𝐤𝐭 for gluing the rotating steering wheel because it's rotating still, so I will need to buy some kind of different glue and inject it all over. Okay, so we have the old one versus new one, and the old one, this went out easily, and this is so damaged. Let's try to put the so this is the quickest install ever. So we have a new steering wheel and a new shift knob. I really need to fix this. I hate this spinning part. Well, the steering wheel was a complete fail. When I mounted it, this thing was, I don't know, it was rotated far enough on the one side, and when I tried to move the car, I had the full right, I think, but the left I could only turn one turn or something like that, and it wasn't going, and something snapped in it, and this is what snapped. So the wires are gone, and I don't think I can replace only this thing. I don't think it's coming out. It looks like it's a part for itself, but I think yeah, the tape inside is connected to it, so the whole assembly needs to be replaced. And the other thing, I didn't even use it, but this got loose. So this is loose, this is broken, and it's spinning, and I don't want to waste any time on it. So I think it's a waste, and I'm probably going to search for another that doesn't need reupholstery or fixing anything. So okay, let's do something else. So I have sandblasted the battery holder. As you can see, it's not a very neat job, but I have used one package of the sand and I have just another one, and I don't think it's worth wasting time with it. But it got 50% off, and now we're gonna apply some anti-corrosion layer, and then we're gonna paint it. We have put some anti-corrosive, and now we wait for 2 hours maybe. It has been 3 hours, and this is what it looks like.